Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by verifying essentials: camera, mic, and speakers. Join the meeting 5 minutes early so you can change settings without pressure. Once connected, set a clear display name and select the correct audio device. This avoids echo and dropped audio. Make sure to choose a background or blur if needed for privacy, and test screen share briefly to confirm permissions. These first actions save time and keep the meeting professional from the outset. You now focus on control and flow. As host, use mute all and the waiting room to prevent interruptions. This creates order and reduces background noise. Once done, manage participant permissions, disable file transfer or annotation when unnecessary. When presenting, choose share window versus full screen to limit distractions, and optimize for video when showing moving content. Switch to gallery or speaker view depending on engagement. These steps you finish by summarizing action items and confirming next steps. Then stop or save the recording and export chat highlights for anyone who missed details. Once done, share the recording link and attendance list quickly so follow-up is simple. If someone loses audio or video, instruct them to toggle the device, leave and rejoin, or use the dial-in phone option. These quick fixes solve most issues. Remember, a calm, methodical close ensures clarity and reduces replay requests.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.